Hi everybody. We're on our way to Little Pond Campground. We are again in Sullivan County in the Catskill Mountains. We just made a pit stop at the local ShopRite. It's a very nice supermarket, has everything you need. We are done and we are headed to camp next. We have the kayak on the roof right now. We're going to do some kayaking this weekend.
At the lights, turn left onto NY52. In half a mile, turn right onto Triangle Road.
Okay, I'm going to put you guys on hold for a little while. We're on the road towards the Little Pond Campground. Thank you so much for clicking on that button, spending some time with me today. We're camping at DEC Campgrounds yet again. Another DEC campground and another long winding road to get into the camp. We should be there shortly. Here we are. Little Pond Campground and day use area.
In 3/4 of a mile.
Boy, what a long back road drive that was. It was a good half hour since we left Route 17. We're looking for our site 007. Looks like it's right down here. Alright, this is our new home for the next weekend. Let's get a quick look. Okay, beautiful spot. DEC fire pit. Nice table. Nothing but woods that way. Alright, let's get set up. Rain was coming, it's just starting now. So I got everything set up as quick as I could. We have the usual tarp set up and Big Blue. We're going to be comfortable tonight with the tarp. And we've got a cot and all the soft stuff to lay on. This is what we're going to hold out for the storm. There are some people over that way I hear, and I have another campsite that way with a few people on it. But we're pretty private around here. We are at the Little Pond Campground. Yeah, there it is, Little Pond Campground. Should be a good time once we get past this rain. Okay. It's about 4:15 and the predicted rain has begun. It was drizzling for a while, but now it just started. So we're under tarp. Tent is up. This is mostly a rain event. I'm not feeling too much wind yet. So hold on, if it gets crazy, I'll bring it back. It seems like the storm has passed. The sun's coming out. If I can get back to setting up. We haven't set up the inside of the tent yet. My bed, all of that. And I want a cup of coffee. Real soon.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 584 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Broome, Shenango. Severe thunderstorm watch number 584 has been canceled for the following counties: Schoharie, New York. Severe thunderstorm watch number 584 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Broome, Shenango, Delaware, Otsego, and Sullivan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Okay, so we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Alright, the storm has passed. Got a nice fire going. It's about 9:30. I'll be turning in after this fire's done. Good morning, everyone. It's just past 9 o'clock. The campground's coming to life. It's a chilly morning. I'm wearing my emergency quilt as a sweater. I'm staying nice and comfortable. Having my second cup of coffee. Today we're going to take a walk around the campground and see what there is to see. That's the way to the exit, the front office. We're gonna walk by the nature hut. Butterflies. Oh, one of my favorites, hummingbirds. That's why I keep my geraniums with their beautiful red flowers. This looks like a beaver chilling. Birch. Ooh, a paper wasp nest. You don't want to mess with those boys. Really cool chair here. And I guess if you got caught in a storm here, this would be a good shelter. Might just be why it's here. You can even see the bird's nests. Smokey Bear. Only you can prevent forest fires. This is the parking lot you come to use the showers and access the day use area. Little basketball hoop. This is one of the day use area sites. Sounds like there's a bit of a waterfall over here. The day use area goes over here too. That must be a little pond. Oh, nice. I wonder if this is where you launch from. The day use area, picnic site. It's right on the lake. I believe they call this the campground trail. There are sites that you have to walk into up this trail. This looks like a fishing pier. Let's go have a look. I just saw an eagle land in the middle of the lake going fishing. Maybe we'll get another look at him. He's probably up in one of these trees. I thought this might be a campsite, but this is day use. It's got one of the steel fireplaces versus a fire pit. A nice day use site. It's the Americans with Disabilities Act trail mile marker at 2.25 miles. And people who are limited in their mobility get to see this. This is one of the first of the campsites that you must walk into. I see a good thing. It's a bear box. Get your own private pit privy. This is site number 75. Fire pit picnic table. Beautiful. I'd probably say the nicest view of the pond. Very nice. There should be a whole line of them along this trail. This is site 74. It's kind of set farther off the road, so let's take a walk in. A standard DEC fire pit and picnic table and your bear box. The last few sites had people occupying them. Last thing I want to do is invade their privacy on a beautiful Saturday morning. Looks like we have some ruins coming up. Ruins. You have to assume there was a home here at some point. If I had to guess, this is the living room. And there was a nice big window here. Yeah. Maybe a staircase going up. Interesting. No place like home. This is where you can come down and launch your kayak. No motorized boats. It's paved all the way down. Wow. Nice view of the pond from here. Good surface. Water looks crystal clean. This is site 25. And that's the end of my walkabout around Little Pond Campground. Ah, horseshoes. No matter how careful you look, there's always something that you miss. Straight ahead is a pavilion. Sure, it's available for rental. This stream goes past my campsite. That way. Just gotta let that fat wood burn off. Or we can get the cast iron skillet. That's a pretty lunch. Okay. We're on Little Pond. We're gonna do a little paddling. We're gonna go around the lake. Beautiful spot. Okay, so flash news alert. We have some weather coming in overnight in the Catskills. Surprise, surprise, we had 2 whole sunny days. It's supposed to rain overnight tonight, all day Monday, and into Tuesday. Wednesday might see some sun. I won't be here for it.